Hi all, in this video I'm going to share you guys a tutorial to fix error code 40 or running status error 24 in MiniTool Partition Wizard. I even tried the solution mentioned in the MiniTool Partition Wizard help section, but it is only available for that Partition Wizard menu. But as I'm facing this error in that black screen, so it is not that usable. So after trying a lot of times, I found out the solution. The solution is to make free space or more free space on your OS partition. We are facing this issue because there is no enough free space for all the partition stuff we are doing. So by making free space or by making more free space, we are giving for little bit more space for all that partition activities. So that's it. That's all about this simple video, guys. I hope you find this video useful. If you do so, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.